The number of people who have experienced hair loss has increased tremendously in the past 2 years, with the highest increase most notable in women. More than 30% of women under the age of 45 have experienced some form of hair loss, and with statistics at this level, it's obvious that something must be done to help women cope with the problem of losing their hair, and the low self-esteem that is associated with hair loss. Some people might think that a hair loss problem can easily be corrected by writing a prescription for a drug to treat it. If only it were that simple. Many of the current medications prescribed for hair loss are for men, and some of these drugs increase certain risks for women. The only and the best alternative for women experiencing hair loss is to use natural home remedies to help regrow their hair. Hair loss is divided into 3 main categories. The hair loss can be general, occurring over the scalp without any particular pattern. It can also be categorized as localized, in which only certain areas such as the side of the head will experience baldness. The hair loss can also be diffused, in which it spreads to various areas of the scalp. For those who have inherited the hair loss trait, the Norwood classification and the Ludwig classification systems can further describe female pattern balding. Society and culture looks at hair as a sign of beauty and youth. In some cultures, men and women are not even allowed to cut their hair. So it's understandable that when someone first experiences hair loss, his or her first reaction is to deny that it's happening. Since society and culture has placed so much emphasis on how people look and how their hair is styled, many females will first not admit to themselves that they're losing their hair. Anyone enduring a stage of hair loss might not want to go out or be seen in public, especially if the hair loss is severe. Women within this stage might feel that they're not attractive anymore, and may no longer be seen as desirable. And this situation becomes worse if the hair loss is permanent and not temporary, as in some genetic conditions. Drug companies compete with one another to offer a solution to this medical condition. A lot of these are not even accessible, or they can actually increase risks in women because of their harmful side effects. Instead, it's better to look for a way of curing hair loss in women using a holistic or natural approach that is available to anyone. Some examples include massage, reflexology, essential oil remedies, herbal-based remedies, lemongrass, green tea, and even vegetable and fruit-based remedies. If you want to regrow your hair starting right now, then maybe you should check out the report entitled The Hair Loss Remedy Report: All Natural Secrets to Regrow Hair. This report can't replace your doctor, but it can give you additional treatment options to discuss with your physician.